Hi guys, Motologger Series here, and today I am going to review very unusual kind of bullet. As you can see here, it is completely dirt spec bullet, and it's owned by multiple time dirt racing champion, and is invited by Royal Indian Devotes on its third anniversary. And he is a representative of Great White Riders, and he is a very special guest. As you can see here, you can hardly find any stock part on this motorcycle. And the tires you can see here, they are called button tires. They are not made for streets, they are made for dirt.
This is button tire. This is made for dirt race. You cannot drive this on a normal tarmac.
On road we can't drive.
On this tarmac you cannot because this don't have a grip. The moment you turn the bike, this is riding like this, right? The moment you turn, it goes in a no grip, right? Your bike goes off. So God knows yaar how you come this seriously. Seriously. God knows. 40, 50. इसका क्या है एक ही button. The moment you turn it,
This
it's
is a
gone in
button
no grip
tire.
area. और कुछ
The tank is original bullet tank, and it pushed inside from both sides, so you can hold it with your legs during the race.
It's punched so that you can hold your thigh like
Thighs.
thigh.
It is for
For
gripping.
dirt races, you sit here.
Oh,
You
yeah.
hold tank like this.
Yeah.
So you can actually twist bike like this.
Yeah.
This brake का जो oil आता है.
So I think you get the idea. It is a proper
people do
bullet
it.
tank. And the horn you can see here, it is a extremely loud horn, and you can easily identify that it is not a bike horn. So it is basically a truck horn, not a bike horn. You know, the most fancy part of the motorcycle is its headlamps. And the headlight is not like a sharp blue light, the light is dull blue light, and it matches perfectly with the oil paint like yellow color of the motorcycle. And that effect of light can be achieved by throwing the blue light from outside of the lamp towards the reflector which is our inside, so the overall effect comes like a dull blue light. So can you imagine how much brain is being used to make this motorcycle?
It just you need to put the light from outside. Basically, when the light goes, it reflects the glass. It spreads from the glass and it reflects from inside.
Like normal blue pilot lamps.
Like I didn't wanted that sharpness. This is dull finish.
Yeah, and it's look beautiful.
It's a combination of a dull and
The reality of dirt bike is in here. So
Like this, fully
this,
rugged.
it's fully rugged, and it's all dust here. So you
And
don't
show me the helmet. It is inspired from the look of the motorcycle, the design theme. Look, the squares are here, and the same square and the color theme you can find on this helmet. So look the bike and helmet. Faster and out of control. Sexy. Sexy. So man behind that beautiful dirt scrambler is this,
right. Hussain.
and his name is Hussein. Extremely beautiful and eye-catching. That scrambler is head turner. Wherever you go, it will turn the head of the people.
Correct.
And that bike is something that it should come within. Means it's not the idea that you can copy from other. You can't make the same motorcycle because it is emotion. It's not just creativity. It is emotion first. So big thank to the man who set the bar of modification so higher than other people. So very congratulations, and
Thank you very much.
I'm really happy that you came here in this group, and
My pleasure. And the thing is, RID is connected to GWR, that is Great White Riders, since 2-3 years. And really thankful to Ankit Vishwakarma for inviting us, rather than me, inviting us Great White Riders for their anniversary. And congratulations for the anniversary and a lot of anniversaries to come.
thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Rev it. Awesome. Wow, stand still.
He was telling he had made one bike where they put a tempo traveler का piston just for pickup, nothing else. But what happens is that connecting road bends.
मेरे पास I have got a cast iron that was 74 75 का है. उसके अंदर मैंने जीप का मैंने पिस्टन.
I saw Jeep carburetor. Is it
Let's see.
doable?
No, it is not.
I saw Maruti 800 का carburetor also.
देखा सब देखा.
Maruti 800 का carburetor. He is claiming high pickup and an average of 55.
Possible कैसा है? How it is possible?
Gypsy and Maruti 800
How it
carburetor.
is possible? See, 4 pistons. 4
Correct.
पिस्टन है.
Correct.
4 पिस्टन को 12 का एवरेज देता है, 10 का एवरेज देता है, 16 का एवरेज देता है, बराबर. You divide that thing into one piston. तो एवरेज क्या आता है? It is not feasible. वर्कआउट होता ही नहीं है.
चलो गाड़ू.
There is always a boundary.
Yes.
You cannot cross that boundary.
Correct.
You cannot cross that boundary. एक बाउंड्री लेवल रहता है टेक्निकल. पिस्टन का भी एक बाउंड्री लेवल रहता है कि भाई तू मतलब बोलेगा कि भाई मैं टक्का डालूंगा तो इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल. एक लिमिटेशन रहता है सब चीज़ का. यू सी ओनली थिंग इज व्हेन यू बिकम अ टेक्निकल बोलते ना कि एकदम एमडी कर लो, एमडी बन गए या डॉक्टरेट कर दिया इन टेक्निकल्स. बट द थिंग इज यू नीड टू स्पेंड टाइम. Always comes with the time.
This is
Always
most
comes with
important
the
thing. Thanks for watching guys, and also check my another classic 350 custom video, and you can find the link in the description box below.